Hello everyone and welcome to my Project Pan update number 5. It has been 2.5 months since I filmed my last update. I've been really busy since the beginning of June, so I haven't been really wearing much makeup at all. I'm just here to share some numbers and my stats, and that's all. In the month of May, I actually wore makeup for 21 days in total, which was the majority of the month, so that was very good progress. And most of my progress was made in May because in June I only wore makeup 4 times. That's all. And today I'm filming this on July 11th, and so far in July I have only worn makeup for 1 time. I'm not even wearing makeup today because there's just no time for it. Either I film this with no makeup or I don't film this at all. Now the good news is I do have 3 items rolling out. On the other hand, I don't plan on rolling anything new in, at least until my next update, which hopefully I will get done by the beginning of August. First up, we have the Makeup Forever Reboot Foundation. This one weighed 115 grams last time and it now weighs 112 grams. So it dropped by 3 grams. Let's see how many times I wore this, mostly in May, of course. I wore this 16 times in total since my last update. Next up, the Rimmel BB Cream. This weighed 15 grams in my last update, and right now it weighs at 9 grams. And that is the weight of the packaging, by the way, because I have completely used this up since my last update. And that means I hit my goal. My goal is to finish it all up. And I'm really happy about that. I believe I did finish this in May. Total number of uses for this is also 16 times. Next up, we have the Delectable Body Mist. I rolled this in my last update. My goal is to finish it, and I did. So last time it weighed 39 grams, which is when I rolled it in, and now it weighs 16 grams. Once again, it's just the weight of the packaging. A second one out. This took me 10 uses to use up. Next up, the Laura Mercier eyeshadow stick, and this is also done. I've finally used it up and another goal hit. I'm so proud of myself. And this took me 21 uses since my last update. Next up, the Marc Jacobs highlighter stick. This weighed 59 grams in my last update and it still weighs 59 grams. So my goal for this is just to use up 5 grams in total. So far, I've only used up 1. So I started with 60 grams. And it's already July, almost mid-July. So to be honest, I don't think I would be able to hit my goal on that. However, I'm keeping this in my project pan for sure, and I look forward to using at least 1 more gram before the end of the year. And I only used this 12 times since my last update. Next up, the NARS Liquid Blush. This is in the shade Luster, and my goal is to use this all up. Last time it weighed 84 grams. Today it weighed only 82 grams. So that's a drop of 2 grams. I am so happy about that. I'm not sure exactly how much I've gone through. I feel like I've only used less than half of it. So once again, I'm not exactly sure if I would be able to hit my goal by the end of the year, but I'm very much looking forward to it. So I have written down 14 uses, but I believe I used this maybe 2 other times that I didn't jot down. So I guess 14 to 16 uses. Next up, I have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. My goal is to just hit pan on this. And so far, it looks like I'm nowhere near that. In terms of weight though, it still weighs at 84 grams, same as last update. And I've used this 11 times since my last update. Next up, I have my ABH Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. My goal is just to hit pan on any of the shadows, and so far, I haven't achieved that goal yet. Anyways, I do plan to keep this in my project pan for the whole year, even if I do pan on one of these shadows before then. Now, in terms of weight, I'm not sure what happened. It used to weigh at 174 grams in my previous updates. However, today it weighed 175 grams. So I don't know why. As for the number of uses, I've used this 15 times. And once again, I believe there's 1 or 2 times where I used it but then jot down. So I guess 15 to 17 times. Next up, I have the Bite lipstick. And my goal is to use this up at least till when it's flush against the packaging. And you can see I'm pretty close, but it's about the same as when I rolled it in last time. This is a new roll in from last time, so I haven't used it much since. And since my last update, Bite actually announced that they are going out of business, I believe, which is very sad to hear. And I hope that will motivate me to use this up and keep using my Bite product, which is pretty much just this one and one other lipstick, I believe, as much as I can. As for the number of uses, I have 7 down, and I think that's it. Next up, I have the Shu Uemura lip gloss. This weighed 18 grams last time. It still weighs 18 grams. No surprises. I haven't used this much. As for the number of uses, 7 as well. So my goal for this is to completely use it up. I still have hope though, unlike the Marc Jacobs highlighter. So that concludes my project pan update for this time. So a quick recap. These are the 3 items I'm rolling out. The Delectable Body Mist, the Rimmel BB Cream, and Laura Mercier eyeshadow stick. All of which I have hit my goal. And I'm not rolling anything new at this moment, which means in my next update I will only have 7 products to update on, and maybe in my next update I'll introduce something new. I'll have to see. It depends on how much I wear makeup in the month of July. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. And if you haven't seen my previous updates, you can find it in the description box down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see future updates. Bye bye.